Hey, you guys. Welcome back to Reese's Attic. It's great to have you here again. All right, this is Goodwill Finds number 4. And this video, I'm going to have, what in the world is that? Wooden turtle? No, this is called a hat. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about these lovely cups. This little cutie. Oh, he's like, help me, please. All right. Let's start with the cups. Worcester Herbs. It is a British company. Worcester. Worcester Herbs. All I have in this is the cups. I found these at Goodwill. These make for such lovely little gifts. If you're someone who likes to make things with your hands, you can fill it with wax, put the little piece of string that goes in it, make a candle. Look at the graphics on there. They're so beautiful. And surprise. There's a really cool surprise on the inside. Little blue butterfly. These were inspired by the paintings and drawings of the 1800s and 1700s and 1800s. People who were naturalists and were drawing what they saw out in nature. Each of these flowers has their common name and their scientific name. And of course, there's a whole set that you can get. Plates. This is lovely. And let's see. Of course, I have it upside down. Worcester Herbs. I have a link to these in the description below. This one I just found a couple of days ago. I love my pug. Here's the picture of the pug that you love. Christmas. He's got on a Santa hat. But will you look at that expression? Oh my gosh. It looks like you ought to be holding up a little piece of paper. It says, help me, please. He looks so like, oh my gosh, what are they doing to me? God bless him, ain't he cute? Oh my gosh. Interior, yeah, that is red, very festive. Made by a company called Fringe, dishwasher and microwave safe. However, everything that says it's dishwasher safe really takes a battering from being in the dishwasher. Do you love your pug? Getting ready for Christmas? Do you know somebody that loves their pug? Getting ready for Christmas. Check out the link in the description below. At last, Hatform. Check these out on eBay and Etsy. They're incredibly expensive. And the cool thing about them is they can still be used if you want to start a hobby making hats. you're going to need some hat forms. Now this would actually stand up on a piece of wood, and felt, wet felt, would be formed around it. Let's see. Riva Marchesi, Riva Marchesi, and it's from France. And I think, can you see it? A little bit. It says Paris right there. It's made in France, and it has some drawings on it, which I'm thinking the people who originally used it did something with that. Auvergn. Auvergn. This is a place, an area in France. I don't know what the wood is. I don't know what it's made out of, but it makes a beautiful conversation piece. If you're interested in learning about hat making for yourself, here's a piece of history. From what I researched on this, I think this was made in the early 1900s. There are a few little places on it that are. This has some gouges right there. Right there. I think it was like 4 to 6 pounds. There's stray markings and gouges all around it. There's some more gouges there. All right. I'll have a link for that too at the bottom. Thank you so much for spending part of your day here with us at Risa's Attic. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you're learning a little something along with me. If you have any questions, just send them to me in the comments. I'll see what I can find for you. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Have a great rest of the day.